Hey guys, my name is Nishoni and welcome back to the Plant Chronicles, where every day I try not to kill my plants. And in today's video, we're going to be transferring my Alocasia Nebula into Lechuza-PON. Now she is looking really sad because it's completely dry and she's ready to be transferred into Lechuza-PON. And let's get started. Okay guys, so here we go. Let's get started. I've got my pond here on the side. I've got my enrich so it can grow a good root system. Then I got my rainwater with my grow solution all ready to go. I've decided I'm going to keep it in this pot that it's in because I just got it. I'm just gonna leave it. Oh no, this leaf is turning yellow already. It hasn't even been outside in the direct sun for that long and it's already turning yellow. Now I'm going to rinse off the pond. Pour half out. And we're going to get this baby in here. As you can see, it has good roots. These were 2 plants. Let's put them back in. I'm gonna put her in here. Let's run her through. So there you have it. She's all done. Once she perks up, she'll look much better, and I'll insert a video, a picture. All right, you guys, now I'm ready to plant my Rex begonia into this beautiful white planter. It's just like this, but I want to put it in because I don't like the way it sticks out like that. I don't like the way that looks, so I want to actually put it in here. So I'm gonna do that. I really want to put this begonia in pon, and I could because it has like the little reservoir in here attached to it. The saucer is attached, and there's a hole here so the water could actually go through. Decisions. I don't know, let me think. So here's my dilemma. Sometimes I don't like the way all the self-watering pots look. I just like these pots. And I don't like the way if you do it like a cash pot. Maybe if I get a clear one that'll fit in here. But I literally just want to use this pot. And I think I can make it like self-watering because there's already a hole with a reservoir here that can filter in. You know, and I can bottom water it. And I have a piece of rope and I can thread through right here. So I can put the rope in here, leave a little bit of the rope out. Okay, put a little rope in, leave a little rope out right there. You know, I think that'll work. It's like to thread it for like my self-watering system because I just want to use this pot. And I want the Rex begonia to be in it because it's pink and pretty. And I want the pink and white, and I don't want this. I just don't. You know, you just want what you want. And that's just what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it in the pond. I'm scared. Everyone's like, wait till March, wait till the spring. Well, it's January. And I'm just gonna do it. These are under grow lights, so I'm not really worried about it. So that's just what I'm gonna do. I still have pon in here. Well, you know, the soil is moist, and yeah, probably should have waited till it was really dry, but we in it now. We in it now. Oh boy, this is gonna be harder because it's wet. This is going to be next to impossible. You know? We're going to call an audible. just gonna put it in here for now. I'm just gonna put it in here. I'm gonna put this in pond anyway, but for the meantime, in between time, let's just leave her. Same amount of soil. There. Done. Leave it just the way I had it and not overcomplicate things. So let's just leave her alone, and maybe, like I said, in March we'll see how she's doing, and then we'll put her in Lechuza-PON in this same pot. But I really just wanted to get it squished into this pretty pot. So we have done that, and we are done. Thanks for watching.